In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change unknown language to English in Outlook. If your Outlook suddenly appears in a language you don't recognize, don't worry, these steps will get you back to English quickly. I'll cover both the new Outlook and Outlook on the web, and then the classic Outlook desktop app. Let's start with the new Outlook and Outlook on the web. First, look to the top right corner of your screen for the gear icon, that's the settings button. Even if the text is unfamiliar, the gear symbol is consistent, so click that. A settings pane will open. Scroll to the bottom of that pane and select the option that means View All Outlook Settings. The wording may be different in another language, but it's typically the last link in that panel. Inside the full settings window, navigate to the section called General, then choose Language and Time. Again, the exact labels may appear in a different language, but the layout is uniform. General is usually near the top of the left sidebar, and Language and Time is listed within it. In the language drop-down, pick the English you prefer. English United States is a common choice, but you can select any English variant that suits you. Once you've made your selection, scroll to the bottom and click Save. This is important, the change won't apply unless you save. After saving, refresh the page or sign out and back in. A quick refresh is often enough, but signing out ensures everything updates to English across your mailbox. Now let's switch to the classic Outlook desktop app. Open Outlook and go to the File tab in the top left corner. From the menu that appears, select Options. This opens the Outlook Options window. In the left pane, click Language. You'll see a section labeled Office Display Language or choose Display Language. From the list, select English United States or your preferred English variant, then click Set as Preferred to make it the default. When you're done, close the Options window. To apply the change, restart Outlook by closing it completely and reopening it. The display language should now be in English throughout the app. That's it, you've changed Outlook back to English. Thanks for watching.